every October 14th. Not only that, but it is International Top Spinning Day. And let's not forget it is Bring Your Teddy Bear to Work Day in the United States. Dwight D. Eisenhower was born this day in 1890. He served as President of the United States 2 terms from January 1953 to January 1961. On October 14, 1964, Martin Luther King Jr. was awarded the Nobel Peace Prize. The award money, $54,000, was given to further the causes of civil rights. On the same date, 30 years later, the Peace Prize was shared by Yasser Arafat, Yitzhak Rabin, and Shimon Peres. In the Word, there are many awards given, but the one award which awaits faithful Christians is the Crown of Righteousness. As is written in 2 Timothy chapter 4, 7-8, I have fought the good fight. I have finished the race. I have kept the faith. Now there is in store for me the crown of righteousness, which the Lord, the righteous judge, will award to me on that day. Not only me, but also all who have longed for his appearance. You've been listening to This Day in History. I'm John Ehrich.
For listening to African Pathways Radio. We broadcast each morning on a frequency of 11,825 kHz at 4 a.m. UTC.
Each evening, we broadcast on 13,670 kHz at 6 p.m. UTC and on 11,965 kHz at 8 p.m. UTC.
Spending some time with us today.
Enid and I want to share some thoughts about the largest teaching section of Jesus in the Bible. It is called the Sermon on the Mount.